Who will complete this mission? Who will rule the catwalk?
For the challenge, like I said, the ideas you have, you can really accomplish it due to the budget. Even back home in Barbados, most outfits don't cost 40 Barbados dollars.
So we got 3,000 to go to Pablo's.
I would turn down clients because if the budget is small, they can't get materials, good materials, but this is the challenge, you have to make it work.
With fabric is what you do with it. It's not the cost of the fabric, it's what you do with the fabric. So you can purchase a very cheap fabric and make it look so expensive. I got a Pudeswa satin. I'm making a crop top and a barefoot pants. So Kitty's gonna like a lot of the clothes them. I'm sure she's gonna like a lot of the clothes them.
It's a really exciting challenge. I think it's kind of cool. I never actually worked with a stylist before, so it's good to, kind of experience that.
I've never worked with a stylist like Bootleg Rockstar, and it's actually pretty exciting to be designing something that Kenya could potentially wear during the season as well.
Originally, the concept that I had in mind for her was to do a circle skirt or a pleated skirt, but then I decided to just change that whole concept and I end up doing cargo pants.
I kind of started off slow again, but I'm catching up. What the hell is wrong with me? A lot of designers are working with stylists. I've never worked with a stylist before.
The stylist likes a lot of pleats and drapery. So I incorporated that along with the evening wear and the fit for Kenya. I think they can get through this.
When I sit down with my clients to discuss, a design, I tend to get them to try and step out of their comfort zone. I think this challenge would also do that with Kenya because yes, you're always in black and white, but how about trying something different?
Over the top and extra, but so is the stylist. Based on his style, he likes nude. Did like a color scheme, a nude color scheme, and I give her a little bit of pleating up here, so when I feel like say me take up more than what I can manage, but me all out same way. So a little pleating to add volume to the fabric, because fabric kind of plain.
People taking up my tools. I'm always prepared. Rulers, pencils, markers, and I'm not opposed to sharing, but it is greatly inconvenient when you're looking for a pair of your scissors and somebody has it. I'm in the space where I feel like everyone just needs to leave me alone. I think I've just had to interact a lot. One side of the dress is going to be piped with this black sort of lines and a ladder detail, and the other side is kind of transitions into that white sort of piping. So I want it to be sort of bold but with very feminine lines, and something to, enhance her waist and give her that va-va-voom.
I'm making a zebra print. It starts from the print starts from the spine, so I'm doing that as a mini skirt.
I'm doing a maxi dress with some patchwork to the bottom. I envision her opening Mission Catwalk runway show with this gown on.
Aaron mouth his mouth is not his own. Somebody bought a fabric this morning, and he told them that fabric is ugly. I wouldn't have bought that.
I guess with the budget, you have to try to make it work. But some things really do look cheap. I would say it looks terrible, but I mean in a nice way.
Hey, I know my client, and then Bootleg Rockstar, he has like this outrageous but classy style. So I'm like, okay. I went to my sketchbook and I did my design about 3 times. Even in the room, I changed it once.
This is
machines get on my nerves. I literally had to recut my top because it literally ate up the bottom of my fabric.
There's one machine that it's stretch fabric only, and that has been giving me a problem from this morning. And I'm not going to go on a straight stitch machine to stitch the hem of a skirt. A stretch skirt, that is gonna pop out.
It's just time and the machine slowing me up. Like for me, some people have machines and I can't sew, and it very frustrating.
Apparently the machine them haunted.
Someone keeps on unplugging it.
Who will complete this mission? Who will rule the catwalk?
My line items are swimwear, so I can do other stuff, but I haven't made any swimwear.
Yeah, fashion is about fast-paced, quick, you know. You really do have to, you just mentally have to prepare.
I wasn't always this confident, to be honest. But then for the style them what me like, the over-the-top style them, and at first me used to just wear my stuff. Cause nobody never know about me, so I have to put myself out there. That's how I build my confidence. So I like risky outfit. So you know, like you really have to be confident for them something there. When you're going to party, people are gonna stare by you. So I guess that's what actually built my confidence.
A lot of people don't really understand my accent, so I don't really want to confuse people by talking. So it's taught when necessary.
Well, I was self-taught, and I later went on to learn at school, and it just didn't stop there for me. Like, I would always ask questions. I would always, like, even like my past teachers, like, you know, I would like call them up and be like, you know, such and such is happening, what to do, or I would just go on the internet, research it, and that's how I was able to learn a lot about my machines and stuff.
Hello, designers.
Hello.